Hello and welcome. The plugin that I'm going to demo today is a plugin that can help you to find the causal structure of the features that has been extracted from your process. First of all, I need to say that the data that have been used for this demo is this data set. Let's start. Okay. Let's start from scratch. The input of this plugin is the event log, Petrinet, and replay results. And we're going to run this plugin root cause analysis using a structural equation model. Okay. Here, as you can see, there is 3 different type of situation that we can, according to them, extract data from our event log. They are the tabs on the right side. The first one, trace situation. Here in the upper part, you can select a trace feature as a target feature. In the event situation, you can select an event attribute related to a group of events as the target feature. And in the third one, you can select a choice place as the target feature. Let's start with the easy one, a trace situation, where, for example, process workload is our target feature. And we're going to see the effect of deviation and the number of active events with these event names on it. Okay, I'm using aggregated attributes, so I need to select the time unit and the size of the window. For time unit, I'm okay with that, but for the size of the window, I think 1 day gonna be reasonable. I create a table. As you can see, this pink one is the target feature. Now we're going to the 4th tab in the right side, which is the setting for the causal discovery. If you know the structure of the causal relationships, go ahead and start with an empty graph, edit it, and then do the estimation. Otherwise, if you are like me, then here just make sure that there is in this box the continuous, because the data over continuous is selected, and then do the search. Okay, we need to remove null values from our data, and we're going to come up with such a graph. Now we need to edit it to make it a tag. We can add direction to it, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, let's see how the knowledge graph look like. Yeah, it is as I liked. I'm happy with it. Now let's generate the final graph. Okay, in this final graph, you can see the causal structure of the features, at least the way that I edited. And you can see these relationships, for example, means that deviation cause process workload, also the number of active events with the name of confirmation of receipt, both cause process workload directly and indirectly through this feature. Now I do estimation to see how strong is each causal relationship. Now, if I save the sum, I will have, okay, let's update it. I will have such a file, such a text file that contains the sum of the features. But if I click on any of these features, in the window, I will have the sort of equation that shows the effect of intervention on that feature. For example, I already click on deviation, and in this window on the 4th line, you can see that if I increase the amount of deviation by 1 unit, then the amount of process workload gonna be increased by 3.71 units. There is another case when the data is discrete. Then, yeah. In that case, the way that you're going to interpret things is going to be a little bit different. Let's take a look at an example there. Here, as you can see, the data is all about, for example, choice. Deviation here is true, false, discrete, and responsible discrete, and all of them resource. The two other attributes are also resources that are discrete. And here in this part, I have selected discrete before doing the search. And now if I click on one of the attributes, for example, this one, a window gonna pop up that shows the effect of intervention on deviation. For example, if you force the amount of deviation to be true always, then you expect that the choice that has been taken in this specific sync 37 in this model gonna go through this T05 transition for this amount with this probability and go through tau transition with this. It's gonna be skipped with this probability. I hope that this demo shows you a sort of gist of what's gonna happen here, how you can use this plugin. And thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.